Yes. This is our Amsterdam day part 2. Amsterdam walking tour part 2. Apologies for the loud noises. There's a lot of cars and bells and whistles and people. So we're here for 2 more days. Today we went to the Science Museum earlier. It's pretty cool. That was I think it was an inside thing, but they had some stuff to do outside, like a little place to sit. A lot of kids walking around. A lot of little outdoor sciencey equipment. And 2 more days left. So we'll see what we're gonna do. I think today we're going to go to some recommended cafe that has world famous apple pie. Everyone says they love the apple pie. So we'll see. I'm not a giant apple pie fan, but maybe it'll be good. Saw some other cool stuff today. We had some blins. I don't know if that's the same thing you say in the US, blins. But it was kind of like a breakfast dish. It was very yummy. And we also noticed that some of the buildings, I don't know if we'll see one, are like slanted. We talked about yesterday how everything was made of bricks. But like if you look at this building, it's slanted and it's got like bricks in between that fill it in. Then there was next to the Blins place, there was a hotel. It was very slanted. Like the curtains were sideways. So I thought that would be a unique hotel to stay at. Because the inside was slanted too, the doors and the floor and everything. So if you ever want to stay in a slanted hotel, I think the restaurant is called Blin Queen. B-L-I-N Queen. And then next to that is the hotel. I don't remember what the hotel is called. You sure you don't get hit by any trains? We've pretty much gone in many directions in the center of Amsterdam. This is the one direction we haven't really gone that much. Halloween stuff. We gotta get Halloween costumes for Barcelona. Let's see. Yeah, but the positives of Amsterdam, again, everyone's been super nice. We watched a video, a very biased video before we came here, about the people of Amsterdam. They said the people were very mean. But I don't think so. I think the people have been all very nice to us. Nice people. Unlike Georgia. In Georgia, they weren't mean. They just weren't nice. Which, I don't know. I guess it's a good thing because people aren't being fake nice. But in here, people are being nice, whether it's fake or real. So, we should be in this apple pie place in like 10 minutes. What that super squeaky noise is. Oh, it's a train over there. Yeah, so my last video I did was a vertical video. This was gonna be horizontal. Just trying some things out. Let's see, what else did we see today? We woke up kind of late at like, I guess 11. We're waiting for them. We tried to leave early so they would clean our hotel, but we didn't leave early enough. When we got back, the hotel was still the same. Didn't leave long enough. Yeah. We saw some other places too. We wanted to go on a boat for drinks, but we couldn't find the boat when we were walking back. Here's our little tour boats. I guess people are eating dinner or something on there. Maybe it's just a tour. Looks like they're just sitting. Or maybe there's also, we saw like some hop on, hop off boats. So you can buy a ticket, I guess, for the day. You can hop on and hop off and get a little scenic boat ride to your next destination. What else did we see? We went to some alleys like this. Some dark, scary, creepy alleys. No, not really, but just alleys where people don't walk down very much. Like residential alleys. Here's another one. Residential alley. We also don't know what these signs mean. We assume they mean no alcohol or no drinking. But we don't know. It's a nice little park. Kids playing area. So yeah, we don't really know what we're gonna do for our last 2 days here. Don't have anything super planned. I don't think that we're going to try and get the COVID access pass, because it would just be going through a lot of trouble trying to make sure we get the right SIM card and do it all right. But there's been enough stuff to do outside. Little people on the metal fences, that's cool. There's a lot of little details like that here in Amsterdam. Little hidden gems up on the side of the street. Earlier we saw on some of these poles bike seats on the poles. A lot of little weird stuff like that. Keep your eye out. Some of the light posts look interesting. Every street has something to look at. No street's completely the same as the other. Let's go! Today it's not super cold. I mean, I guess it is fall/winter time, so we need jackets and stuff. What are you looking at? Oh, houseboats. Yeah, here's some houseboats. Oops. Sorry, I don't know if that froze. 1 second. I don't know if that froze for you because it disconnected. But yeah, those are the houseboats. When we were on the science, I guess like the science museum area, it had a little panorama of the whole city. And it gave some information about the city, and it told us that there's 25,000 houseboats. 25,000 houseboats in all of Amsterdam. So that's pretty cool. Which is pretty surprising because I guess Amsterdam's a lot bigger than the place that we're at, because I feel like 25,000 houseboats can't fit in all the areas that we walked. Maybe.
There's quite a few. All of them have gardens on their roofs.
Yeah, gardens, bedrooms. We assume that a lot of them are probably rentable via Airbnb or something. I haven't checked. Almost at the apple pie place. Walking to the bright sun. So I don't have to look directly at the sun. Those are your little houseboats. And I'll probably pause it when we get there. Called Winkle 43. This is Amy's cousin, who has been here, recommended it to us. And I think we're here. It says it's 20 meters away, so should be coming up. I'll give you guys a glimpse of the apple pie. Splice it in the video. Winkle 43. Not there yet. But I guess if you haven't recognized it by now, lots and lots of bikes. Bikes everywhere. The city of bikes and brick buildings. Oh, doggy. Fetch. That's like fun. This is it. I think it's the sun right there. So yeah, we're gonna have our apple pie. I'll show you guys a little glimpse of it, and we'll end the video there. quick update. We went to the apple pie place and they didn't have any apple pie left. So we got hot chocolate and coffee. We're gonna try to go tomorrow. We finally got our apple pies. We had to wait an extra day because they weren't here yesterday. So as promised, here's the balloons. I probably won't take them out because we don't have a place to sit. But they got cool little packaging meals like this. This is where they're in. Anyway, bye.